If you're looking to create and manage sales funnels with SuiteDash, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we'll walk through how you can easily build, automate, and optimize your funnels with this all-in-one platform. Stick around till the end, where I'll also show you an exclusive extended free trial, plus an alternative that might actually work better for your goals. Let's get started. First off, SuiteDash offers a powerful suite of tools that allow you to create sales funnels from scratch with just a few clicks. You don't need any coding knowledge, and the drag and drop interface makes it easy to build funnel pages. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Funnel Builder section of SuiteDash. Here, you can create a brand new funnel and pick from several templates. These templates are well designed and customizable, which is a huge time saver, especially if you're just getting started. Next thing, let's talk about the funnel stages. SuiteDash lets you design each stage of the funnel, from lead capture to final conversion. You can add email opt-ins, landing pages, payment gateways, and more. You can even set up automation rules, so when someone takes an action, like signing up, SuiteDash can automatically trigger an email series to nurture that lead down the sales path. The third thing is integration with your existing tools. SuiteDash does a good job integrating with payment processors, email marketing tools, CRMs, and other essential business tools. However, keep in mind that some integrations can require additional work or may not be as seamless as you'd like. This can be a slight disadvantage compared to other competitors that have built-in integrations for some tools. The fourth thing is analytics. SuiteDash has decent reporting features for tracking the performance of your funnels. You'll be able to see conversion rates, traffic sources, and other essential metrics. However, if you're looking for advanced analytics or in-depth insights, this feature might feel a bit basic. But for those just looking to track the basics, it's functional. Another consideration is pricing. While SuiteDash offers a lot of tools in one place, its pricing can be a bit steep for those on a budget. It's more suited for agencies or businesses with a larger team or client base. If you're a solopreneur or a small business just getting started, this might not be the most cost-effective choice for you. Now, let's look at alternatives that may suit your needs better. While SuiteDash is great for those looking for an all-in-one tool, platforms like ClickFunnels and Kartra focus specifically on sales funnels and may provide more refined features for funnel management. They have more powerful automation options, better split testing, and more seamless integrations with third-party tools. At the end of the day, SuiteDash is a solid choice, especially if you want everything under one roof. But if you're focused solely on perfecting your sales funnel, I recommend checking out ClickFunnels or Kartra as they're more specialized in this area. Lastly, here's the big bonus for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of SuiteDash, and I've also included those amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals, all with their own free trials. So if you're looking to make an informed decision, you're in the right place. Don't forget to check the link for your best free trial and exclusive benefits. Happy funnel building!